Here are 5 things you didn't know about commercial insurance claims that could destroy your business. First, being innocent doesn't guarantee quick payment. A Toronto restaurant was forced to close permanently after a fire they didn't cause. Second, the fire started when sparks from neighboring renovations entered a shared wall cavity and ignited hidden insulation. Fire investigators confirmed the restaurant wasn't at fault. Third, their claim stalled for months because the damage originated outside their insured unit. Insurance companies move slowly when liability crosses property lines. Fourth, subrogation proceedings dragged on, while business interruption coverage failed to trigger immediately. The restaurant burned through their cash reserves waiting for resolution. Fifth, they ran out of money before liability was ever settled. The business died not from fire damage, but from insurance delays. In commercial insurance, being not at fault doesn't mean being paid quickly. Follow Wealth Coder.